Welcome back. Anthropic announcing a new fundraising round today at a blockbuster valuation. Mackenzie Sagalas has all the new details in today's Tech Check. What do you know, Mac?
Hey, Courtney. So the company closed a $13 billion round that tripled its valuation to $183 billion. And at the same time that Anthropic is closing this round, you've got OpenAI that's going out to current and former employees this week with a secondary share sale that pegs its value at $500 billion. Now, both have been going head-to-head this year to capture enterprise customers. Anthropic's new Series F showing that its annual revenue run rate jumped fivefold since January to $5 billion, while OpenAI at the same time is ramping up its push for business customers with the launch of GPT-5, a rapidly expanding sales team, and pricing designed to undercut Anthropic. But the rush for capital underscores just how fiercely competitive this space has become. Labs pushing out products perhaps before they're fully polished, accepting that flaws will surface as millions of people begin using them, in part because so far that strategy has not dented valuations. Anthropic did settle a major lawsuit last week to clear a legal overhang, but the bigger risk for both companies may be reputational, how users interact with these systems as the companies adjust the guardrails. And unlike the last generation of tech firms that leaned on Section 230's liability shield, AI companies face product liability exposure if things go wrong, even as they continue to move fast and break things.
Yeah, I was sort of wondering that, Mackenzie. Every time you have sort of an issue, how does the valuation get dented, or does it not? Is it just sort of, this is a speed bump of how these things go?
Well, that's exactly it. A lot of investors have just been digesting that and moving forward. But we saw in the last week OpenAI really make this big push to update the latest model to in the wake of a lawsuit that was related to self-harm issues. And that really reflects the fact that they are responding to these critiques and looking to adjust accordingly. But to the larger point here, you've got names like Apple and Meta looking to potentially embed the models from OpenAI and from Google with their Gemini product as they look to, enhance Apple Intelligence, or, Meta was looking at incorporating these base models to adjust its chatbot. So certainly there's a lot of cross-pollination here.
Interesting stuff. Obviously, this just continues to morph every day. There's a new headline. Thank you for following it for us, Mackenzie Sagalas.